King's College School of Law offers a lot to the home student. You've got the Houses of Parliament just down the road, the House of Commons, the House of Lords, so you can see the law being made. You've got the High Courts, the Old Bailey, just a short walk away, so you can see the judges in operation, whether that's in the civil law or in the criminal law. For the international student, for those who come from the Commonwealth, from the countries of the former empire, you'll come to see where the law which was spread around the empire and is now the basis for legal systems in most of the common law countries at work in Britain on a day-to-day basis. For those students who come from different kinds of systems, from the more civil law systems, for example, from Europe, it's an excellent opportunity to do comparative law. We have excellent comparative legal scholars who will allow you to compare the legal systems from your home base with the British legal system. And actually, whether that's in public law or in criminal law, in a whole variety of different spheres, you can actually see the lawmaking process in action. You're taught by some of the leaders in the field. You have guest lectures and public speeches by some of the most prominent people in the legal field and beyond. And you also have what people describe as policy transfer or knowledge transfer, where you've got organisations who are translating legal theory and research into policy. What you see at King's is law in action. Lawyers and people in legal practice who are translating ideas and research into law and into practice on the ground. Because King's is one of the most prestigious law schools in the world, clearly you get a King's advantage. When you are applying to a law firm or to a barrister's chambers, or if you're pursuing work as a criminal justice practitioner, the fact that you've got King's College, LLM or MA on your resume, on your CV, I think gives you a strong advantage in the workplace. When they leave King's, they'll be going back to their home countries or onto their jobs, and they'll be taking the ideas back into the workplace, into the United Nations, the International Criminal Court, into the top barristers' chambers, into the top law schools in England and around the world, and applying their ideas and actually changing the world through their legal practice.